All right, let's roll, guys. The girl is ready. I love this all brown and gold ensemble. We're looking at this. The brows are browsing. Hi guys. Hi. Hello. What's up? In the vlog. It's Natalie. I'll try this again. Excuse me. Can I get this a little stronger? Yeah. Thank you. It's the weekend. I'm trying to get lit. Looks like it. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mary. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Are you one? Are you two? What you doing later? After? Nothing. Well, I just want to go to the mall, really. Where you walking? I'm trying to, my thighs. They rub together. I told mommy our thighs be rubbing together. Thank you. Girl like me, look at me. You like, don't say that. Slump right now. What bandage playing right now? Yellow no chase. I gotta come back here. Come to serve down here. Not beach service at this table. No beach service at this table. I want a boat. Okay, fine. You gotta vlog too. Because I'm a dual influencer. Period. And when you get a check, give me some tips. Can you take your hair down? Am I recording right now? Yep. Eat it up. I said eat it up. Oh, sorry. Guys, so it is a little bit later. I just came from the mall and I bought some goodies from Tory Burch. One is a gift for Cece, which y'all see in a second. I'm about to meet with her right now in the nail salon. I'm about to get some pedicures, and then the other one is for me. I'm gonna just show y'all what I got real quick. They gave me some samples. Fragrance. I didn't know they sell fragrance, but I'm definitely gonna get one eventually. I just don't have to get it right now, but this is one of the fragrances. This is called Divine Moon. I don't know, we'll see. I'll spray it. It's a sample. And then here is the, oh, maybe I should wait till I get home. I'm gonna wait till I get home. Sorry guys. But I'm just so excited to, I love Tory Burch. Anyways, let me put that in the bottom. This one is for her. And let's go give it to her. And go get our toes done. I need my feet done and scrubbed up. Well, hello there. He's so funny. This is my sister. And I remember he did my nails before. Oh. When I did the short white ones. Oh. Yeah. Nice. Welcome back. Tell them up there that you're doing a pedicure. And say you never get another nose? Always. I don't like any other color on my clothes white. Main vlog. How you doing, gang? Welcome to the gang. So I go to get my nails done and gotta get. I'm gonna try to not like be loud in here. You want me to vlog on your thing? Can I record you on your phone? I just sent it to me. I'm gonna blame you. Are we gonna put like the same thing together? How did you know? Are we? Oh, look. Hello. I'm officially gay. Gay. Girl, you just do whatever you want. It's like, I don't. Hold on, I need to stop this thing. I want to stop it. I keep. That thing hurts.
What thing do you like? I just flew in from New Jersey. You want some drink?
Huh?
You want some drink? You want some drink?
Oh no, I'm good. Thank you. Usual.
You want water? Or?
No, thank you.
Water? Soda?
One girl here, one girl here.
One here. You're going to front or the back? Out the front. Whatever you use most, put in the front. That card. Oh, let's hide the number. Okay. Okay, we official. Period. Ooh, that looks good in your hands. Yes. Let's see what else we got. All my Chick-fil-A gift cards. Yeah. I mean, you could put stuff behind each other. Like, you could put double up.
Tôi đã bỏ 2 cái, tôi dùng là tôi đổ luôn.
So it's like moving in a new house.
Tôi thử nhiều lắm rồi đó.
I know, it just...
We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work. You feel me? I feel work. You see me do my da. Something about that
Alright y'all, so we're waiting on Mary. She's at the gate trying to get in. But yep, little surprise. Shouldn't take for my sister. Today's her birthday. So actually we'll eat. I love this top. This is from Zara. So nice. Surprise! Happy birthday! So surprised!
No, it was even before that. I already figured it out. How do you survive?
Surprise!
That really gonna make no sense. I'm like, let me invite you to go to lunch. She like it. I'm like, okay.
You was playing for lunch?
Huh? Yeah, I'm like, let me sit. I sit her place. I'm like, yeah, let me sit this.
Her birthday.
I can watch them out at church. Huh?
What you mean?
Here.
No, I went to DJ church.
I grew up about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gonna do about it. Big wheels, keep rolling.
I ain't get a team outside good.
That's what we do.
Pop? Do it over here.
I think it's actually like you just pull it off, right? My hands are greasy. I didn't open it yet. I'm shaking it.
No matter, so far. No, shake it that way.
Well. Hey, don't touch my phone.
Feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's something when I sing about it. Yeah, mama used to be on disability, but gave me this ability, and now she walking with her head.
Hey, Millie, your food on the floor. Yeah. I'm wrong. I didn't do it.
Why are you laughing?
How much did you Yeah, literally does. Put that thing in last minute. Thank you.
Surprise! Thank you, everybody. You're welcome.
You're so lame, bro. Yeah, thank you.
I think because he was screaming.
No, I'm just playing, girl.
It looks beautiful. Yay! Let me cut it.
They came and got my hand, told me to close my eyes. The
So
boys.
oh, yeah?
That's why I did it.
What?
They came and said, come on.
Happy birthday! We have a cake. Close your eyes.
Why are you telling me? It's a surprise. I said,
Look at her, look at her. So it's later in the day, and we're going to Bimini Twist. I've never been here, but I'm always passing it and passing. This will be my first time. We will see how it goes. After this, I'm going home because I got to work in the morning. So it's been a good day, but I'm just tired. My makeup is looking fine. You know, I did my little no makeup look, so just powder. Surprisingly, I'm more oily where the powder is and not where the concealer is. The concealer's under my eyes, and the under eye is fine. It's here I'm getting oily, and that's where the powder is. See, like I barely have anything on my face. All right, let's go. My phone gonna die. Somebody come meet her. We waiting for 1,000 years? We're looking like, how long?
oh no, she goes to the
Everybody, just to let y'all know, her name is Felicia for today. That's what she told the people.
For today.
She asked me.
She said, what's your name?
Oh, your name?
I thought you talking about the waiter.
Mary Pump.
She asked me on phone number and she said, your name is Felicia? And
That's your best friend.
The food is here. Oh, that looks so pretty.
I didn't see that.
Wow, look at that steak. Ooh.
A little piece? You want a piece? Come on, help me out.
That looks really nice.
Take the whole basket, girl. Put one right here, just separate it.
Ooh. What is that?
Delicioso rigatoni.
What is it?
Oh, I just got
Like a chicken something?
You got rigatoni too? Yeah, but he got broccoli.
Here, take it.
27.
You like free?
Not about to cry. It's your birthday.
I know she's not crying. You shut up.
Why are you?
Bro, you such I got that makeup blonde.
Babe, why are you crying?
Bro. Yeah, we get it. Yeah. Into it. I'm clear. Got that makeup on.
Don't cry. Hey, it's birthday, girl. Happy birthday. Blow your candle before you go.
Did you even make a wig? Gotta see you.
I'm sick.
Oh my gosh, I'm learning everything. Get it, Lucia, we're going shopping. That's